Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn write text to MS Word. So this is another video of UiPath Word automation. In this video the important things we are going to learn here, that is how to write data to MS Word, how to read text from the text file and write to Word document in UiPath, and how to resolve this exception. The exception is archive file cannot be size 0. You can see the screenshot of this runtime execution error. It shows that archive file cannot be size 0. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix this exception and how to write text to MS Word. So let me open UiPath Studio and show you one by one. So first I will show you how to write text to MS Word, and then I will show you how to read from text file and write to Word document in UiPath, and then at the last here I will tell you how to resolve this exception. So please watch this video till the end. So let me open UiPath Studio here. So here, to write text to Word document we need to use here append text. So currently in UiPath Studio in Word document, UiPath has not given an activity to write text to Word document. We have just append text activity to append the text, or you can say write the text, right? So here I will tell you how to append the text, or you can say write the text to Word document at the top, right? So even if there is no data available in that Word document, you can append your data in that Word document. So basically if I am going to write here write text, I am not getting here write text here as a part of Word. Here I am getting write text file, and this will write data text to the text file. It means the format .txt, not in docx or doc. So here we'll use append text. So you know that we have two activity, one from the Word document and second in the Word. So if we'll use this Word, then we have to use that Word application scope. So currently I'm going to use this Word document activity, and in this append text we need to select that Word document. So currently I have this Word document, and then what text you need to write here you have to mention, and if you have the variable getting from any other activity, let's say if you are reading the data from any other activity and then you are writing here, so you have to use that variable here. But currently I am just going to write the string, the text to that Word file. So I'm just putting here, hi, this is sample text. Okay, you can see in the properties we have to pass the file path, and then input is your text file. And now here we have option new line. So if we'll check this, then while appending the text, it means while writing the text, it will first enter one line. It means after a new line this text will be added. So I don't want to insert a new line here, so I'm going to uncheck this, save this, and let me show you that first Word document. So here you have seen that we don't have any data, right? I have also cleared this to show you, and I'm going to write the data to this Microsoft Word document. So let me run this, Control F5, and so you know the data has been written to that MS Word file. Let me open this, and you will see this is on top, right? You can see here, so it shows the same text has been inserted here. Now let me delete this, close this, and now I'm going to tell you here that how can we read the data from text file and write to that Word file. So here first we need to read the data from the text file. So we have the read text file. We'll take this one, we'll select the text file. Currently I have this data.txt and I have few data there. Now I will store this in a variable that is data, and same variable I will use here in the append text. Okay, now save this and let me run this. Now you'll see here whatever data available in the text file will be written to this Word file. Okay, so let me open and let me show you that in data text I have this data, and same as it has been written to the MS Word file. You can compare, right? So using append text you can write your text to the Word file, and it can be doc or docx also. Now the exception which I am going to tell you, that whenever we run our word automation project, then we get that type of error while writing the text to the Word file. So for that I will have to create that scenario so that whenever you will get that exception you can resolve that. So let me delete that one, and here I am going to first show you that exception and then I will tell you how to resolve that. Okay, so let me create this Microsoft Word document I have created, and this is the same same Word file. We don't have any data available here, right? Now if I am going here, let me delete this and just select that Word file, and I am going to write this is a sample text, right? So I am doing the same thing which I did earlier. Okay, I am just selecting that docx file, and I am just putting my sample text to append that data to Word file. Now I am not choosing this one also. Now let me run this, Control F5. So you can see here we are getting this exception. It shows the archive file cannot be size 0, right? So you can see it shows that archive file cannot be size 0. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how can we resolve this issue and what is the meaning of this exception. What is this message? Where are we getting this file cannot be size 0? So here you can understand this, the line, the message. It shows that file cannot be size 0, right? So you can go to the document and you can see here in the size it shows the 0 KB, right? So the message shows archive file cannot be size 0. So whenever you are going to write data or you are going to append data to this Word file, the size should be greater than 0. So what we can do, we can just type anything, close this, delete all these lines and save this and close this. Now you'll see the size is 12 KB, and also you can see we don't have any data, we have cleared everything, right? And close this, right? Now if you will just run this, will not be getting any error. You can see Control F5. You can see the text has been written to this Word file. So by this way you can resolve that issue. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching this video. So if you found these videos helpful, then please support by donating any amount using PayPal. You can find PayPal link here in the UiPath RPA channel. You can go here and then you will find this link, donate to support UiPath RPA, and then you can click on this, so it will redirect to PayPal page. And then you can see here the URL, that is UiPath RPA, and also you can see the logo and then my name. So you can donate any amount and you can choose here your currency, INR, USD, as per your country, and you can put here any amount which you want to donate. So let's say if you want to donate 1000 rupees in INR, you can just put there and process the next step.